Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic setting for this watch, Casio WS2100. And yes, let's first make sure we are in the timekeeping mode. It should look like this: day and then hour, minute, second, and then year, month, and date. But if not, then you can press and hold the mode button, and then it will jump to the timekeeping mode. Okay, next press and hold the adjust button on the top left. And yes, now we can set the target steps for the step tracker. So you can change the number using these two buttons. The start stop will increase and then the lap reset will decrease by 1000. Okay, next press the mode button and now we are setting the second. For the second, you can reset using the start stop button. If it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute. Let's wait a moment. 9:30, okay, something like this. And if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute, like this. Okay, now press the mode button and we are setting the hour. For this one, you can use the start, stop, and lap reset button. So this one will increase and the lap reset will decrease. So it's like clockwise and counterclockwise. Okay, now press the mode button and we are setting, this one is the minute. Also the same thing with these two buttons. Start, stop will increase and lap reset will decrease. Press again the mode button and now is the time format. You can use the start stop button to change the format. So this one is 12-hour format and this one is the 24-hour format. Okay, now press the mode button and we are setting the year. Also using these two buttons, start stop will increase and lap reset will decrease. Okay, press again the mode button and now is the month. Also these two buttons. Okay, press again the mode button and now this one is the date. Also the same thing. Okay. And then press again the mode button and now is the setting for the key tone. If you want the watch to be in mute or silent button operation, then you can press the start stop button. So now this is the silent button operation or mute mode, meaning that the button will not make any beeping sound, but still for the alarm, countdown, timer, and also hourly signal will still give beeping sound. And yeah, let me deactivate. So using the same button like this, okay. Then press again the mode button and now is the length for the backlight for the afterglow effect. You can change to this one, 1 meaning 1.5 second and 3 meaning 3 seconds. So use the start stop button to to change the value. And then press again the mode button and now we're back to the setting of the target for the step tracker. Okay, and yes, done. Press the adjust button and we're back to the timekeeping mode. I will also make the more detailed tutorials, so don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.